Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create this text filling animation in WordPress. I have used Editor Plus for styling. Now let's get started. Add a new page. Give it a name. Let's say text effect. Now add a group block. Set group width to full width. Then select the group. Go to background. Set background color to black. Then go to padding. Click on advanced. Change it to pixel. Then add 100 pixel padding from top and bottom. Now add a heading block here. Go to typography and change the heading color to white. Now it's visible. And change the font weight to bold. Now let's add a heading here. Make it to center. Text transform uppercase and letter spacing 5. Now close the typography. Now select the group. Go to advanced tab. Here we need to add a class. So we target this on CSS. Let's add text effect class over here. Now publish the page. Go to dashboard. Go to Editor Plus settings. Click on advanced tab and paste the CSS code here. You can find this code in the video description. Now scroll down. Now here we need to add the same text that we add on the heading. Otherwise this effect will not work perfectly. Now click on save button, go to front end. This is how it looks on the front end. Now understand how to change these colors. Go back to CSS. Here are the colors. Now let's change the secondary color. This is the color that fill on animation. Now click on save button, go back to front end and reload the page. Now you can see color is changed now. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe Gutenberg Hub.